fight?
Well, I know BBB Mareep has had some maintenance done in the pits, so we'll have to see if that's paid off for them in this one. But they're fighting an actual rock, so that shouldn't, ail here.
So BB's definitely more manoeuvrable this time around. And like I say, it's kind of going to be a shunting match for them, as they really have the pushing power up against Babs.
BBB Mareep also got the cushioning on the top, which is really good against the axe there.
And they're kind of using their lifting weapon as a grabber there, just swinging the bats around the arena.
Very good. Who knew sheep could fight?
Well, now we're seeing Babs finally come down with the bats. And then that's a big drink there from BB Mareep, a swing of the limited edition Battlebox beer in collaboration with Athletic Diet. Please get back to the fight.
David, you can't drink drive, that's not legal.
There's style points, but once that's happened, Babs is definitely in control of this fight. So everybody is doing a disservice.
BBB Mareep pushes back towards the pits and they try to move away from there for the time being. Have getting lots of attack points here.
And BB Mareep is sat back on top. Is that protecting against Babs?
I think it's just sort of, not the female, but it's definitely helping out there.
So BB is just taking the beating from Babs, but Babs is fully focused on getting Babs into the pit. That is going to be their game plan.
I can hear some clicking, I'm not quite sure what that is.
So they're drifting around the arena. They are trying to get the right line of sight. And a big swing coming up there, but Babs just about maneuvers out of the way. BB though drifting around, and now they've put himself right in line of the axe again.
Coming out to the commentary booth. Good thing we've got the protective polycarbonate wall.
Yeah, now back over to the audience once again, and Babs is just swinging like crazy.
A little bit of control from BBB Mareep there. Got a grab there.
So it's in the grab, but they're not really able to use that grab to swing back into the pit. And there's only 9 seconds left.
And I'm worried about Babs live in the final seconds of this fight.
So I've not counted how many hits Babs has managed to hit.
Has to be at least in the 14, 15. Who knows at this point?
But a nice round of applause from the audience. We love to hear that, and we don't just want your applause, we need you to decide the victor, because both robots made it through. Rob, do you have an inbuilt audio decimeter like every Roboteer seems to have?
Mine's on the fritz, but I'll have to give it a go.
Alright, well, Rob's going to be able to decide. But audience, if you think BB Mareep, the yellow robot, won, give us a cheer. And if you think the lunatic swinging the axe Babs won, give us a cheer.
I think that's pretty clear. I think Babs is the winner.